So I am upstairs right now, trying to warm my fingers and my toes up because it's cold. Even in this room, it's a little bit chilly. But I have my overalls and my sweatshirt on, but it's still cold. Daryl, you can probably hear him banging around, is downstairs. We've been working on the bathroom downstairs off of the study, and we knew there would be some rot around the toilet area and around the tub area, and there is, but the issue is they put linoleum, thick plywood, linoleum, plywood, and then the original floor, which is a wood tongue and groove floor. But that bottom layer of plywood is just like coming off in tiny little pieces. It's being a pain. And I'm not just a whole lot of use because it's a small space and I just feel like I'm in the way. And I'm freezing because it's cold. So I came upstairs to warm up. But, I mean, I was helping earlier with moving, like, the paneling, and I was the cleanup person. I moved that out. But right now, what he's doing, I just feel like I'm in the way. And I know there's plenty of other things that I could be doing, but I'm kind of not feeling it today, really. I don't know if it's because it's so cold, or what. But yes, I'm being lazy for a couple minutes and sitting upstairs. But yeah, maybe Daryl will come up and take a quick break. What are you doing? Did you go upstairs all by yourself? Did you not know I was down here?
Time to get back to work.
No floor joist. Be replacing this seal beam and boards back here. Already got this side replaced. And then we'll put the floor joist back in.
It's a little bit scary to see that. The problem is we don't have anything solid under this piece. So this stud is solid now. It didn't really go up anyway. But when I let the jack down, there's going to be a separation right here. That's going to go
Is
down.
there any way you can put some kind of little shim under there?
It would need to be a pretty good substantial block. Without changing that seal beam, I don't know.
But we're going to put another floor joist right next to it that's going to be on a hanger.
Yes.
And so it should be fine.
Yes.
Okay.
So, let's see what it looks like.
So we're about to lower this jack. We're going to hear some creaking and popping. Ooh, I see it moving. Oh, that's scary.
That's just how much we moved.
Oh, I don't like that.
That's how much y'all raised it up.
I literally saw it move. So what is the fix for that?
Change that seal beam just like we did this. Lift that back up, put a new one under it.
So when we're working on the other side, on the porch,
You might have to get under the
we'll
house
get
and jack it
and
up.
do that.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the new seal beam and plate all the way around. So what's next?
Joist.
Joists.
Joists.
Floor joists. Almost gonna be done working in the pit.
Finish nailing this one before I put the next one in.
So all the floor joists are in. We added, how many? 3?
Well, we added
Put them on 16 centers instead of 24
4 plus
inches.
the one that scabbed on.
Yeah, so we added, put them on 16s instead of 24. And we got one sheet of the flooring in.